Okay, so ngayon, let us now discuss the writing polynomial function in standard form and in factored form. So, time check, gabing-gabi na, we have 7:37 PM. Pero ako'y nagtuturo pa rin, pero hindi kayo nagsusubscribe. So, ngayon, tayo ay mag-standard form ng isang polynomial function and gagawin nating factored form. So first, let us rewrite polynomial function in standard form. So first example, we have y is equals to 3x plus 5 times x plus 1. So ito ay naka-factored form. So gagawin po natin is gagawin nating standard form. So first, we can apply the FOIL method. So we have y is equals to 3x times x, that is 3x squared. 3x times 1, that is 3x. 5 times x, that is 5x. And 5 times 1, that is 5. So now let us combining like terms. We have 3x squared. 3x plus 5x, that is positive 8x. And then, copy the plus 5. So, ito na po yung standard form ng ating polynomial function. So, from this, ito po kasi, ang tawag natin is factored form. Ito naman is, nara-write na natin as standard form. Next, we have f of x is equals to 2x times x plus 8. So, napakadali lang. I-apply lang natin dito si distributive property. So, distribute 2x times x, that is 2x squared. And 2x times 8, that is positive 16. So, na-transform na natin, 2x times 8, that is 16x. So, ito na po yung ating standard form. So, from this, ang tawag po natin dito is factored form. Ngayon naman is in standard form. So, ito na po yung standard form ng polynomial function. Next. Okay, last example of standard form. Next, mag-factored form naman tayo ng standard form. Vice versa lang. So, we have y is equals to x squared plus x raised to 4 minus 3x raised to 6 plus x raised to 5 plus 10. So, ito, hindi po yan naka-standard form kasi iba-iba yung degree. Hindi siya pababa hanggang standard form. So, kukunin natin yung may pinakamataas na degree. So, that is 3x, negative 3x raised to 6. So, yan yung mauuna. We have negative 3x raised to 6. Yung kasunod ng 6 is x raised to 5. So, we have x raised to 5. Yung kasunod ng 5, that is 4. So, we have x raised to 4. So, kasunod ng 4, may 3 ba? Wala. 2 na agad. So, pwede natin i-rewrite na x raised to 2 na. Tapos, yung kasunod ng 2, meron ba? Wala na. So, diretso positive 10 na. So, ito na po yung ating standard form. Y is equals to negative 3x raised to 6 plus x raised to 5 plus x raised to 4 plus x squared plus 10. Yan na po yung ating standard form. Okay, next. So, tayo naman po is magpa-factored form. Okay, so we have, napansin ko dito, meron tayong negative sign sa gitna. And then, first and last term are perfect square. So, I think we can apply the sum of difference of two squares. So, we have p of x is equals to, we are going to square both sides. So, square root of 4x squared, that is 2x. And then, square root of 81, that is 9. So, maglalabas po tayo ng dalawang parentheses. So, we have dalawang parentheses. And then, yung isa dito is positive, yung isa is negative. So, lalagyan natin 2x and 9. So, we have 2x and 9. So, ito na po yung ating factored form. Okay po. 2x plus 9 and 2x minus 9. Next, we have y is equals to 8b cubed plus 27c cubed. So, I think we can apply the sum of two cubes. Okay po. So, ang gagawin natin dito is i-cube root both side natin. Cube root both side. So, cube root of 8b cube. That is 2b. Tama ba? Kasi maka-cancel na to eh. And then dito naman, cube root ng 27 is 3. And then cube root ng c cube, that is simply c. Kasi maka-cancel na yon. So now, let us denote that this is the x and ito yung y. And then isusupply natin yan dito sa ating formula na x plus y, x squared minus xy plus y squared. Okay po. So now, let us substitute. So yung x daw natin is 2b. So we have 2b plus y natin is 3c. And then x squared minus x natin is 2b times y natin is 3c plus y natin is 3c. Okay, simplify. 2b plus 3c and 2b raised to 2, that is 4b squared. And then negative 2b times 3c, that is negative 6bc. And then plus 3c raised to 2, that is 9c squared. So this is now the factored form of this polynomial function. The final answer is 2b plus 3c times 4b squared minus 6bc plus 9c squared po. So, ganyan lang po kadali rewrite as standard form ng polynomial functions and factoring. Thank you for watching.